Looking for a way to make some extra cash on your phone? Check out Paidwork. In this quick video, we'll show you how to get started and start earning. Step 1. Download and sign up. First, grab your phone and download the Paidwork app. It's free on Google Play or the App Store. Once it's installed, open it up and sign up for an account. This is super quick, just enter your email and create a password. Step 2. Choose your hustle. Now comes the fun part, picking how you want to earn. Paidwork offers a variety of tasks, from playing games and watching videos to completing surveys and shopping online. Browse the options and choose what interests you. Step 3. Complete tasks and earn cash. Each task will have clear instructions. Follow them carefully and complete the task to earn your cash. Remember, the more tasks you do, the more you'll make. Step 4. Cash out. Once you've accumulated some cash, you can easily withdraw it through various methods offered by Paidwork. Check the app for details. That's it! Paidwork is a simple way to make some extra money on your phone, so download the app today and start earning. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.